Is there a horn? Beep, beep. Steer. You're going to use the steering wheel? No, we don't need it, do we? You can pretend to steer though.
That turn?
That's it, yeah, that's it. Turn right. Let's turn right.
You can choose.
Whoa. That's it. You're driving. That's it, and then we're going to go left a little bit. That's it, you got it.
Look at these buttons, Daddy.
They are, aren't they? Lots of colours, lots of nice buttons. Yeah. Look, who's that? Is that Zoe Zebra? Look, she's on a zebra crossing. That's cool, isn't it? Here we go. Is that, look, the pickup truck. They're rescuing the car, look. Look, the tow truck. Look, Zack, the tow truck. Wow. That's great. Oh, Zack, traffic lights. Traffic lights. There's George, look. There, look. George. Are we going to stop for the zebra crossing? Wow.
Are we stopping now?
I think so. We're coming back into the station. I like the buttons. Look at, oh, look at that. What does that say? Remain seated. Oh, look, you've got a sign there, look.